Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. It's Froggy Friday, and if you don't know what Froggy Friday is, it's a collaboration with a few of our crafty YouTubers. That's Karen from the Dragon's Cave, Lisa from, oh my goodness, if only the world's Girl in the Garage, Lisa from Girl in the Garage, Nerd Goblin, Lula, and a few others. And I will be linking the playlist of all their videos down in the description if you want to check it out. I think you should, because it's going to be super. Right, got this mould, and I presume it's a monster relief, but I'm going to use it as a lily pad today. It's a tray mould. I thought it was very pretty, quite big. Look at it to the size of my hand. It is quite big. And I've also got this decal. It's a car decal. I got it from Temu. I've had it for a while. I haven't a clue what to do with it. So I thought, oh, I know. When this came, I thought I'll stick it on. It'll be a very, very nice dish. Now, because it's a dish, I'm not going to be able to stick it on after and give it a top coat, you know, to keep that in. I'm not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to have to try, I'll take it off and try and get the stickiness off the back and slot it in with the resin. It's going to be fun. I'll get my resin mixed up and I'll be right back with you. Right, I mixed up 200 mils of resin. I'm using Tea Expert today. And all I'm doing is, one's alcohol ink in green, and the other one is the mica powder from Let's Resin, bluish green it's called. So this one, I'll put the alcohol ink in. And this one, if I can get it open, going in there. There we go. Let's give them a good mix without flying mica powder. Oh, that is a lovely colour. I don't think I've ever used this one before. How lovely is that? There we go, that's that one. Alcohol ink. Doesn't alcohol ink stink? It's really bad. I don't know if you can hear it. I've got my air purifier on, so I don't think it's caught wind of this alcohol ink yet. Right, they're fine. Now, obviously I don't want this where I'm going to be putting the sticker, or else you'd not see the sticker, would you? So I do need clear there, so this is just going to go around the outsides for now. I don't think that's mixed up properly. I've put a bit of Angel Whispers glitter in it as well, and I mean a bit, just a little bit, just to give it a bit of something. You'll not see it in the mica powder, but you will see it in this. Right, let's pour the alcohol ink around the sides. Like I say, we want the centre bit as clear as possible. To see that sticker. Like I say, it's marketed as a car decal, that sticker, and I just thought, how cute is that? I've got to have it. I think I might put too much in there. Right. Good thing about this mould is you can see where the bubbles are laying. So let's get them out. Oh yeah, they're all coming up now. Yeah, pretty sure I put too much in there. Let's take a bit out. I'm going to pop it on my trousers for a minute just to take the stickiness off the back, because we definitely don't need that. Right. Let's get some on him. Still sticking, isn't it? This is a messy job. There we go. Right, I'm just going to pour a bit there. Right, I don't want to be putting too much clear in because I don't want that green coming over. Right, let's see if we can get him in where he can be seen. It's going to have to be upside down. Doesn't matter which way the leaf is. There we go, I think that's it. We'll just fill it up with clear now. I don't mind if it comes over the back, the green. That's absolutely fine. The back of the sticker. I'm going to scrape as much as I can out. And we will let that cure. I'll try and find some moulds now for the rest of this leftover resin. I'll see you in a bit. Right, let's get it out. Let's see what we've got. Oh, look, I've got a bubble there. I did fully intend putting something down there. Never mind. Yeah, I don't know. Can't remember anything, me. Absolutely shocking. Lovely colour. Oh, there is a bubble, but it's cut off perfectly. How lucky am I? Right, you can see it if I put something behind it, so I might have to back coat it with something. On the black, it's not showing. Oh, he's cute. I like that mould. These were the leftovers, so I'm going to be putting some stickers on that. They've crackled very nice. That is very, very cute. Just going to tidy up the edges. I need to back that in white or cream, or I will work that out. And we'll stick these stickers on, and I will sort some resin out. I've put some white foam on the back. You can see him a little better, can't you? He's really cute. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go around it with a gold Oscar pen. If I can get it working. Yeah. It's a bit of a small one, this. But we'll see if we can get around it. Right, these I'm going to UV coat them, top coat them. I'm going to be using J. Dixon's High Gloss. Oh, I've just spilt it everywhere. Oh, I shouldn't have been let out today. I shouldn't have been left on my own. Honestly. Right, let's try again. There we go. Let's move this out of the way. I'm going to give the leaf and the frog another coat of that gold pen. And I'm just going to go around. I don't think I'll be using a stick, just the nozzle. It does a very good job. And we just want to seal them stickers in. Nice little leftovers. Right, it's had its second coat. What does everybody think? Could have been better if it had been a bit more clearer there, but I still think it's absolutely adorable. Put all my loose change in that, I think. I'll keep it downstairs in the kitchen. Right, I've finished these and I've put Made with Love charm and a thingy tassel. I'm going to use that as a bag charm. I'm not going to use it as a keyring. And that's the other one, exactly the same. Charm and there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll leave some photos at the end. You can see it a bit clearer. Okay, thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.